One of the most popular trading strategies is the range breakout strategy. This here is the backtest of my own range breakout expert advisor that you can download and test for completely free. In this video, I will explain how exactly it works and how you can set it up. Let's get started. I will have a link in the description below to the product so that you can download it. So first, let's talk a little bit about the strategy and how exactly it works. The strategy is based on a very simple idea, which is that we are going to select a given time window on every single day. We're going to mark the highest high and the lowest low of that given day. We're going to place a buy stop at the highest high and a sell stop at the lowest low. We're going to wait for a breakout to happen on either side. We're going to delete the other stop order. So if we reach the buy stop first, we are going to delete the sell stop. If we reach the sell stop first, we are going to delete the buy stop order. And after that, we're going to expect a breakout of this level. After the breakout happens, we're going to wait a given time period and then we're going to close the trade. If the trade does not reach our stop loss or our take profit first. Usually I don't really use a stop loss with this strategy, but you can set a stop loss if you want. And after the given time period, we close the sell trade. Now this one was a losing trade obviously, but there are many days where this strategy makes huge winners, especially on trending assets. So that is the very simple trading idea behind this strategy. This is nothing complex, nothing new. I'm sure you have all heard of it. Now let's see how you can set this EA up. So first there is a display group. This is nothing important, to be honest. You can set a theme you would like to transform your chart into. Now this was, for example, the dark theme that I've used. You can select whether you want to transform your chart and whether you want to see open trades and orders on the chart. This has nothing to do with the strategy. This basically does nothing to the performance of the strategy. This is just for the displayer and whether you want to see the actual trades on the chart or not. Nothing important really. Then we have the time zone for the range calculation. You can choose from various time sources, from GMT time to server time, New York or other stock exchange times. This is basically just for you to maybe synchronize with your broker or create any strategy you would like to use. Then you can set the hour when the range starts and the minute when the range starts. So basically a time when your range calculation will start. Now this, for example, is the same as choosing Frankfurt local time and saying that the hour range starts at 3 o'clock 5 minutes with the GMT time, because Frankfurt has a GMT offset of 2 hours. And then you can set the duration of range in minutes. Now many other people on the MQL5 marketplace who are selling range breakout EAs use strings for the range time window. So for example, you could set a starting time point and an end time, but I don't think that is an elegant solution, to be honest, because you cannot really optimize it. Now this EA is actually made for optimization. So you could optimize all of these parameters and it would give you an exact range. It would not give you a nonsense range. Like for example, it makes no sense to have a smaller ending range time than a starting range time, but this is just for the optimization. So you can optimize how long you want your range to form. Then you have a stop loss distance in percentage. This is now set to 1%. Then you have a take profit distance. I usually do not really use these. Now the 5% is almost never reached. I was testing on USD/JPY. The 5% is almost never reached. It's just basically to make sure that we are waiting for the closing hour and the closing minute, which you can set here. So now what the strategy does is that a range is forming from 1 to 3, so 1 hour 5 minutes to actually 4, sorry, to 4 a.m. 5 minutes. And then we're going to place 2 stop orders, and then if one of it is reached and the position is opened, we're going to close at 16:55. Here you can select whether you want to see the range on the chart. You may have seen it right here. Now the ranges are displayed on the chart. This is again just for aesthetics, nothing unusual and nothing extraordinary. Then you can set whether you want to use candle formation for signal confirmation. This is actually just a boolean to decide whether you want to range to form based on 1 minute candle closes or to take every single tick into account. I usually set this to false, but if you do not need a precise EA and you want your backtest to be a little bit faster, then you can set this to true. Then here is another boolean where you can decide whether you want to block trading 1 hour before closing. So if the sell stop order or the buy stop order is reached, let's say at 16, and this is true, then it would not open the trade. Instead, it would delete these orders and not allow any more trading for the day, because the range breakout would not experience big enough time window for itself. Then you can set the allowed days. You can set basically a boolean flag whether you want to allow each day on the strategy. Now every single day is allowed. Sometimes it makes sense to turn smaller volatility days such as Wednesday and maybe Tuesday to false. Saturday and Sunday are usually just for the crypto market, so if you're not trading Bitcoin, for example, then this is actually just it's the same as setting it to false. It makes no difference really. Then you see the risk management option. Now, as usual, you can select whether you want to use balanced percentage-based investment or initial monetary investment. You can make an initial allocation which depends on your allocation mode, so either a percentage of your balance or an initial monetary investment. Now I set the 100% of the strategy to be used by this EA, 100% of the balance to be used by the EA, sorry. Then you can set a maximum equity drawdown allowed in percentage terms. So now after a 20% drawdown is reached, we're going to stop trading. The strategy will basically stop itself and will not allow any new orders and trades. Then there is a maximum daily loss, maximum daily drawdown, which is now 10%. I assume this was never reached. And then you can set a risk percentage on every single trade you take using the CA. This depends obviously on the stop loss. So if you have a stop loss of 1%, then the EA will open a trade that only risks 0.5% of its own balance on this 1% stop loss. Then you can set a comment. Now it's set to range breakout and the magic number. And basically that's it. That's how easily you can set this whole EA up. There is nothing special about it. It's just a very plain and simple range breakout EA. I recommend you to try it out. I think that many useful and probably profitable strategies can be derived from it. I've learned about this strategy from my friend René Balke, who runs this strategy very successfully. He also has an EA, probably with more options than I do, but this is my own range breakout. I think that you should check it out. It's definitely an EA worth looking at. And I also want to tell that this strategy is actually widely used, doesn't use any martingale, doesn't use any grid. It's not as dangerous as other free strategies. So yeah, basically that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the range breakout strategy. It's definitely a tool worth taking a look at. You can download it. It costs you nothing. You can experiment with it on a demo account or on any account you would like. If you like the EA, I would really appreciate it if you left a review on MQL5. Also, make sure to check out my other free tools and source code. I will have a link in the description below to my website. And let me know in the comments below what you really think about the strategy, what updates I should make to it, what filters I should add. I am really curious about your opinion. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. Come and get banged. I mean, you never get to it. My bad emotion. Cooking up with a booze. My niggas.